Okay, so in this video, you're going to learn how to change color in Photoshop. Maybe you want to change the color of text. You've added text. How can you change the color of this text in Photoshop? This is Photoshop 2024. So when I click on this, automatically I can see the option to change the color down here. When I click there, I can just choose the color that I want to work with. From here, from this swatches, I can choose the color. And when I click on OK, that color is going to be applied. Or what you can do is before you type the text, let's say you select the text to, on top here, you're going to see that we have this color option. Before you type, you can choose the color that you want to use. Then you can start typing here. As you can see, say we have George. This is going to have the color that we selected on top. Another way to change the color of text, you can simply select the text that you want to change the color for, and then come on the color here and choose the color that you want to use. Then come to swatches. You're going to see that color that you selected. When you click on that, that color is going to be applied to the text. Or you can simply select the text and come to swatches and use any of these colors that are here. Or you can also check from these photos that are here. Maybe you want to use the dark colors. You can see all these colors that already exist readily available for you to simply just come here and use these colors. So this is how you can change the color of text. But then maybe you want to change the color for the background of this canvas. You will have to come down here under the shape rectangle and draw a rectangle. Draw a rectangle. As you can see here, it's black by default. But also before you draw the rectangle here, when you select the rectangle too, you can see on top here we have the fill. When you click on that, you can select the fill color that you want to use for the rectangle. In this case, let's use yellow or orange. I don't know what that color is. Then you can draw our rectangle however we want it to look like that. When we draw this rectangle, it's going to be like that. Let's come to the layers and bring this down the layers so we have the background color for everything as that. If you still want to change the color for this, you can simply come on top here and you choose the color that you want to use instead. If you want white, green, gray, blue, whatever color that you want. It's easy to choose the color or to change the color of any object that you are working on, especially if it's shapes or text. It's very easy to change that. This is how you can simply change color in Photoshop 2024. I hope this video helps. If it was helpful, please leave a like on this video and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.